Welcome back to our channel, and thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting us. But if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so that we can bring you the latest news as they come. And together we shall walk with our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Eastern Security Network to make our Biafran dream a reality and pull the Fulani Janjaweed to shame. He say, the Fulani governors in Nigeria shut down their markets every week because of the activities and atrocities of their foot soldiers, the Fulani terrorist bandits, whom they have no interest to stop. Because the Fulani terrorists, which they call Fulani bandits, are helping the Fulani Nigerian government in their Islamization agenda in the north, where they are killing and maiming northern Christians and taking over their towns. But these terrorist Fulani governors are quick to condemn Biafra Sit at Home protest, crying that it is aimed at punishing the Fulani North. I keep wondering, what is the business of Biafran Sit at Home with the Fulani Janjaweed, who also close their weekly markets every week? They close it every week. But shutting down northern weekly markets, that is in the Fulani North, according to the Fulani governors, they claim that it is to stop insecurity, something they cause themselves. This is pure deception because the Fulani Nigerian government are only shutting their market to punish the northern Christians and other traders who are non-Fulanis. The lies of the Fulani governors have been exposed by the same compromised Nigerian news media which they normally use against Biafran restoration and our sit-at-home protests. The Fulani governors can close their markets weekly without the unity beggars, Efulefus, Biafran saboteurs, the compromised Nigerian news media. They are not crying. They will not cry that it is affecting the economy of the North or the economy of the Northerners. But when it is Biafra, these same shameless groups will shout anytime Biafrans sit at home to protest the continuous illegal detention of our great leader, Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, at their criminal DSS facilities. The international community should stop folding their hands or looking the other way while the Fulani hypocrites, the hypocrite terrorist Fulani Nigerian government, continues to cause havoc and terrorize Biafrans. Because very soon, what is currently going on in Ethiopia would be a child's play in the zoo called Nigeria. The world powers should compel the Fulani Nigerian government to organize a UN-supervised Biafran referendum now before it is too late. Chukwuokike Abiama has ordained Biafran restoration, and the Fulani Janjaweed, their cohort and deception cannot stop the moving train of Biafran freedom. They can't stop it. It can't be stopped. They can try and deceive, but it cannot be stopped. The Fulani slave special advisor for gutter cleaning to the Lagos State Governor, Joe Igbokwe, thinks he can use his big mouth noise to make Buhari forget about the money the Fulani gave to him to mobilize Biafrans in Anambra State to vote for the Fulani preferred candidate at the just concluded at the Anambra State elections. But he lied. Now the Fulani Janjaweed have threatened Joe Igbokwe to return their money back. That was why Igbokwe and his evil party paid Accord Party to pursue cancellation of the Fulani organized election in Anambra State. They claim it was fraud. They claim that the election was not free and fair, that it was rigged, because the Fulani preferred candidate, despite all the rigging they did, it did not work out for them. The Fulani Janjaweed Party is hiding behind Accord Party to ask for election cancellation after failing to secure victory. You know, they failed. You know, some people like Igbokwe are claiming that Igbos are not wise because they did not vote in Fulani preferred candidates. Other southeastern states are doing far better than Imo states, that where the Fulani Janjaweed stole the governorship, took someone who came forth and made him a governor through the Supreme Court. Other Biafran states are doing better, far better than what Hope Uzodinjo is doing in Imo State. According to reports, Joe Igbokwe will, over APC's failure, say Igbos will remain onlookers. He lies. Igbos cannot join a party or join the Fulani Janjaweed who are committing genocide in Biafra land. You cannot join them. The Fulani Janjaweed are evil. They are evil. We can't join them. Joe Igbokwe, a chieftain of APC, have reacted to the performance of his party in the inconclusive governorship election in Anambra State. The special advisor for gutter cleaning to Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu on Sunday said the outcome of the governorship election, where candidate Charles Soludo of Abga is coasting to victory, indicates that the Igbos have resolved to remain onlookers at the national political scene. Biafrans don't want the zoo called Nigeria, and that is why we are asking for referendum. We don't belong to Nigeria. We cannot continue to stay with the Fulani Janjaweed. We can't. Let them go their way and let Biafra emerge. Also, according to reports, the Kaduna State Governor, a Fulani terrorist, Governor Nasiru El-Rufai, says weekly markets shut down in Kaduna is not an attempt to inflict hardship on the resident, but to protect the public from the terrorist Fulani bandits. According to him, he said they are not imposing hardship on certain people, but they can see the benefit of the action that they are taking by shutting the shops, shutting down markets. But when Biafrans shut down their markets during sit-at-home protests, they are the ones screaming, shouting. You know, they are screaming and shouting. Whereas the Fulani governors are shutting their markets weekly. You know, and they are regulating activities of motorcyclists You know, if it was in Biafra land, they will say, oh, the people are suffering. You are not allowing them to do their business. That is where they make money that they use to feed themselves and their family. But the Fulani governors are doing that. They are doing that. And nobody is talking. Because the Fulani Janjaweed are trying to overrun Biafra land. They know the solution to their Fulani terrorists, but they are not ready to do anything about it. Because they are their foot soldier, they want to Islamize the whole of Nigeria. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters, for watching this video, and bye-bye for now.